Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. iOS updated, a backup made, and you have an Apple-certified charger. First, open Settings and go to Battery Health to read the maximum capacity percentage and peak performance capability. If your maximum capacity is below 80%, note that battery service may be recommended. Make sure low power mode is off so readings are accurate. Then plug into a charger and stay with the device to continue to the repair sequence. Once done with initial checks, you run diagnostics and document the battery health percent and any service alerts, because that guides your next steps. Next, reset all settings to clear software factors that affect battery reporting. This preserves your data while removing corrupt settings. Then calibrate the battery. Charge to 100%, use the phone until it powers off, and charge uninterrupted back to 100%. This helps the system estimate health more accurately. If numbers improve, proceed. If not, prepare for replacement. You finish by deciding whether to replace the battery. If maximum capacity stays below 80% or you see service messages, schedule an Apple Store or authorized technician appointment for a genuine replacement. Once replaced, verify the new maximum capacity and perform one calibration cycle to reset reporting. If you still see erratic readings after replacement, restore from your backup or run diagnostics with Apple support. Make sure to mention prior steps taken.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.